Hey YouTube, welcome back to another Zittle Farms YouTube channel. Today we'll be changing out the interior air filter on this 2017 F350. I think this goes from 2017 to 2020. Should be all the same. It's pretty simple. Here on my lunch break at work. Should only take a couple of minutes. Let's get started. So the air filter for the cabin is going to be behind the glove box here. So let's open both up. We're going to remove this plastic piece. Two screws here that we're going to get to, but first we have to drop this glove box down. The right corner here, there's a little latch. Remove that. And then there's a tab here and a tab there that will push in to bring down. Alright, now that we have this all put down, we're going to be using a 7mm ratchet to loosen these two screws up. Once that's complete, we'll be removing this piece here. Alright, this part is going to be a little tough. We just got to tug it a little bit. That comes right out. There are going to be wires off to the left side here. So we're just going to set it down to the side like that. See the wires there? Now we're looking for is this honeycomb thing. That is the air filter. Let's get back in there and take the cover off. Alright, so now we're back in here. Let's take this cover off. And there's the air filter. Let's just pull it straight out. Look how nasty that is. Alright, now that we've taken that nasty one out, we're just going to repeat the steps. So let's just put the new filter in. Now let's just repeat the steps. Starting with putting the cover back on. Alright, now that we got the cover back on, let's just keep moving backwards. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video on replacing the cabin air filter. I'll put the model down below in the description. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Once again, this is a 17 to 2020 Super Duty cabin air filter. I'll be doing one on my wife's 4Runner 2016. You guys can catch that one here in a week or so. If you liked it, once again, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys on the next one.